Hello friends! Are you a motorcycle enthusiast that likes to travel a lot and you have an older bike and you may need some navigation that is waterproof and with a great software? And look no further than this baby. It's been sent to me for the review purpose, but this will be only my opinion. And let's see what's inside. Let's have it a little bit of unboxing. So obviously on the top you have the main navigation, right? So then you have the display, you have the hook, and you have the connector. Next in line would be the connectors for a specific bike. Also you have the booklet that will give you the instruction how to easy install and everything else. You have also the electrical wiring with the fuses inside. This guy is waterproof. You also have a pen, so you can, if you have a motorcycle gloves on, you can use this as a touch screen, and it sits right here, very well put, and you just slice it in there. Also, you can take out the unit itself. It disconnects if you don't want to leave your motorcycle in a parking lot so someone can steal it. It's a pretty simple job. You just put it back in, and it has this little screw right here. Now all I need to do is install on my motorcycle, and